What's the meaning of concussed? Concussed. Concussed.
Concussed. Concussed. The term concussed refers to the state of having suffered a concussion, which is a type of traumatic brain injury caused by a bump, blow, or jolt to the head, or by a hit to the body that causes the head and brain to move rapidly back and forth. The result of a concussion can include a variety of symptoms, such as headache, dizziness, confusion, nausea, sensitivity to light and noise, and difficulty concentrating or remembering things. In some cases, more serious symptoms may occur, such as loss of consciousness or seizures. Recovery time can vary greatly depending on the individual and the severity of the injury.